started playing recently, and I had an old man, middle seat. He was a problem. He's like 90. That guy shouldn't be able to leave his house. He's just bones. He looked like the Crypt Keeper. Old reference, but I like it. I knew he wanted to talk to me when I sat down. I hate that. Anybody here airplane talkers? Yeah, there's some of you in here. Statistically, some of you fuckers are like, so, what are you doing in Denver? Kill yourself! Business or planner? Old man leans into me right when I sit down. He's got that hot old man breath. Yeah, I don't know what happens. It's like old dudes turn 80 and it's like they wake up and eat an onion every day. Like, I take a doctor a day, you need the onion. Hot. Like he's got a fucking furnace in his mouth. Breathy. Hey! You're a big one, ain't you? In fact, I am. Did you notice we got ourselves a lady pilot? Mind you, it's 8 a.m. and he's screaming this on the airplane because he's deaf. And now the whole plane is looking at me like, God, why is that guy's grandpa so sexist? So I have to take a stand. I'm on too much Xanax for a stand. I have to go, hey man, I don't know what dumb stereotype you're trying to put on our fucking pilot, but a lot of these commercial airline pilots, they're former military pilots. So why don't you take that ignorance and shut the fuck up? Yeah. Laid into his ass. And then the plane took off and it was the worst flight of my life. This lady did not know how to fly airplanes. It's not a blanket statement. This one was just like, I'm gonna put the costume on and try it. We're flying. And she's trying to turn the plane, and she turns it too much. Drinks fell off tables, oxygen masks dropped down. Everyone's screaming. She straightens the plane out. There's a moment of everyone going like, holy shit, we almost died. And she comes over the intercom and goes, oops. She said,